See that? You just keep rubbing. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Patience. So today I'm going to show you how to clean a burnt iron with paracetamol. Okay, so this is what you need. You're going to need paracetamol tablets. Okay, make sure that you get the uncoated ones. Okay, and then you're going to need a tissue, or you can use just a cloth, it will be fine. And you're going to need some tweezers. Okay, and you're going to need the iron, of course. All right, so make sure the iron is very hot. Mine is plugged in already. Make sure it's super hot. Oh, look at that dirt. Oh, yuck. Ew. We're going to take care of that, so don't worry. Okay, so now you're going to take the tablet, and as you can see, it's uncoated, and we're going to rub it on all the affected areas. So look, you'll be just rubbing it like that, and you notice that it's going to turn into some liquid. Yeah, so what you do now is you just take the tissue or cloth and you just wipe it off, and we're done. Notice that we are not using any water. It's just paracetamol that turned into liquid after we rub it on the hot iron. See, I'm now using a tweezer to hold the tablet because it's now very small. So you can choose to just throw it away, or you can choose to use the pliers or anything that you want. This is really optional. And remember that we are dealing with a very hot iron, so you have to be very careful so that you don't burn yourself. Please don't burn yourself. Do not burn your hands. Okay, and only adults can do this. Stay with me. You definitely don't want to miss the last part. That's the most interesting one. Okay, we are halfway done already. Okay, so you just keep repeating the process until all the dirt is gone. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I would really appreciate it if you do. And also click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I release a new video. And voila, it's done. So now you just press the steam button so that you remove the dirt that is sitting inside. All right, and it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.